A suburban couple, now the third and fourth people in Illinois to test positive for coronavirus. The couple is married and in good condition.
You may remember the first two cases were also a couple. They both recovered. CBS 2's Vince Gerasole has been working all day to get to the facts and joins us live. Vince.
Eric and Brad, we know that this couple is in their 70s, but beyond that, the state isn't releasing much information. They're doing an awful lot of detective work right now, determining where this couple may have circulated in the state. Did they take mass transportation? Did they eat out at a restaurant? And we have also learned that beyond these cases, the state is preparing to expand those types of efforts.
The best thing that the general public can do at this time is to continue taking the same precautions you take during flu season.
But Governor J.B. Pritzker says to help gauge the possible threat of coronavirus, the state of Illinois is moving into healthcare detective mode and instituting a program called Sentinel Surveillance.
This is an aggressive strategy to go out and be looking to see if there's community transmission or not.
Beginning in the Chicago area, patients who have tested negative for the flu but exhibit respiratory issues may consent at participating hospitals for coronavirus testing.
It is with that kind of surveillance that we will be able to see if we have circulating virus in our communities.
Illinois' patient number 4 is a woman in her 70s who tested positive for COVID-19. She is now under at-home isolation and in good condition, according to the State Department of Public Health. She's married to patient number 3, a man also in his 70s who tested positive over the weekend and is now in isolation at Northwest Community Hospital. He's also said to be in good condition. It includes a task force of health experts from the state and the Centers for Disease Control. In the meantime, healthcare workers who may have been exposed are now being monitored and tested twice daily, all as the governor urges calm.
As it stands, the risk to the general public remains low.
So many people wonder what is it that they can do right now to stay safe and to stay healthy. And as the governor said, you should take those influenza-like precautions. Wash your hands frequently, cover your mouth if you have to sneeze, and see your doctor if you're not feeling well. Reporting live from the Thompson Center, I'm Vince Gerasole, CBS 2 News.
Vince, thank you. The health department is now actively monitoring 286 people in Illinois who may have been exposed to the virus. Here's an example of how that number adds up so fast. Take what's happening in Arlington Heights. A healthcare worker who came in contact with one of the patients over the weekend is exposed. That healthcare worker goes home and exposes it to her family, including someone who works as a babysitter. That babysitter then came in contact with 2 children and their parents who all attend or work at schools in Arlington Heights. Every single one of these people is now home monitoring themselves for symptoms.